大家早晨，歡迎各位參加今日 Access Communications 所舉辦嘅 Webinar。我係 Peter Chiu，今日嘅主持人。喺嚟緊30分鐘裏邊，除咗有我之外，亦都邀請咗 Headquarter 嘅同事出現，包括有 Analyst、Derek、Alexander， 佢哋都係喺 Access Control 裏邊有好資深嘅經驗。佢哋稍後都會出場，為大家講解一下最新嘅 Access Control 方案。我哋睇睇今日嘅 agenda。會分為5個部分。首先，以創新嘅 Access Control 方案引領住潮流。點解要選擇 Access Communications 嘅 Access Control 方案呢？ Access Control 方案有啲乜嘢應用係適合到大家呢？我哋揀選咗啲案例為大家作為分享。最後，我哋會有 Q&A 嘅環節。喺我嘅 presentation 過程裏邊，歡迎大家踴躍喺 chat box 向我哋提問。之後我會逐一解答，大家留意返喺整個 webinar 完結之後，頭50個填網上問卷，我哋會送上100蚊嘅 coupon 嚟答謝大家參與同埋支持。喺疫情期間，我哋不斷收到有客戶詢問喺 Access Control 方案裏邊有冇一啲去盡量減低訪客同埋員工嘅接觸呢？其實喺2年之前，我哋都收到媒體嘅訪問，詢問我哋喺 Access Control 裏邊有咩方案嘅。當其時，我哋已經推出咗呢一個無接觸式嘅方案。我哋先睇下呢一段片啦，讓大家有一啲基本嘅認識。Access Communications 唔單止喺 Network Video 甚至 Network Audio 上邊都有好成熟嘅產品線。喺2013年嘅時候，我哋將 IP 呢個概念放入 Access Control 裏邊，直至到而家，我哋喺 Access Control 嘅系統裏邊，我哋有唔同類型嘅產品去符合用家嘅要求。當我哋將 IP Access Control 放入去整個 IP Surveillance 系統上邊，我哋發現喺互聯嘅世界，將唔同嘅系統串聯一齊，發揮無限可能。正正因為我哋可以做到好多唔同類型嘅智能方案，所以 Access Communications 喺唔同嘅行業、唔同市場都有一定嘅足跡。例如智能城市、商場零售、醫療、教育、運輸道路、金融銀行、政府部門、data center。當大家路過呢啲地方，不妨可以抬一抬頭望一望，你會發現原來好多 Access Communications 嘅產品喺我哋嘅頭殼頂嘅建築物上邊。特別可以留意下大型基建項目，甚至乎主題樂園。Access Control 唔單止係得多 controller 同埋 card reader， 其實佢都有無限嘅延伸去加強佢嘅功能。透過 Video Surveillance，可以將現場嘅畫面整合咗 Access Control， 可以知道邊一個人入嚟，去咗邊度，同埋幾時入嚟。喺呢幅圖裏邊，可以讓到大家知道傳統嘅 Access Control 同埋 IP-based Access Control， 當佢哋拼埋一齊做比較嘅時候，大家嘅優勢高下立見。當我哋去同一啲客見面嘅時候，講到 IP-based Access Control 嘅好處，之後個客就會帶我哋去 Access Control 嘅房，睇返佢而家佈線嘅系統。呢個情景簡直歷歷在目。當我哋推廣 Access Communications、Access Control 方案俾用家嘅時候，我哋可以幫佢解決幾個問題。從凌亂嘅佈線系統，我哋可以使用到佢現有 Network Infrastructure， 亦都可以使用 Power over Ethernet 作為供電系統。亦都可以使用到佢哋 UPS Power Redundance 作為一個後備供電方案。 我哋亦都有 Open Platform 去接合返員工考勤系統。當我哋用咗 Network Infrastructure 嘅時候 ，Access Control 可以無限延伸。就算今日用一個 controller 去管理一道門，將來更加容易去擴展唔同嘅 controller 管理更加多嘅門。我哋嘅 Access Control 方案唔單止可以喺 Network Infrastructure 裏邊發揮無限可能，我哋亦都可以透過接線嘅功能，可以整合唔同嘅系統。所以我相信 Access Communications、Access Control 系統裏邊嘅產品線都會適合有要求嘅你。接住落嚟就由總部充滿住豐富經驗嘅同事為大家講解一下創新嘅 Access Control 方案點樣帶領住個潮流。
Is your organization's security important to you? Do you want to have a clear overview of who is coming and going from your premises? When it comes to any organization's security, it's critical that only those authorized for entry or required to have temporary access are allowed in. In addition, an access control system complemented by network intercoms gives you two-way communication and clear identification of who is at the door. And just as important as it is to have a secure and reliable system, it's equally important that it is seamless and easy to use for the visitor. At Axis, we have access control and intercom solutions that fit most needs, whether you have simple requirements or more advanced. So it doesn't matter if you're looking just to grant a couple of users entry, or whether you have thousands of cardholders or visitors, different types of credentials, and complex rules. We also have solutions that include all the components needed, from the credentials carried by the user to the software managed by the operator, and everything in between.
Back in 2013, we introduced our first access control products, a network door controller. And that was only the beginning. Since then, we developed and released products to complete our offering, like network intercoms, I/O and relay modules, readers, credentials, and then many new features and solutions. But why did we build access control in the first place? Access control is very closely connected to video surveillance, both critical aspects of the physical security system. We know a lot of our partners sells both video surveillance and access control solutions. More than 60% of all security systems sold in the world have integrated access control and video surveillance system, and more than 80% of our customers worldwide want to be integrated. A traditional access control solution is a centralized and hybrid solution. All door interfaces such as reader, door sensors, logs, all wired back directly to the centralized door controller or via a door interface panel. This means very complex and expensive cabling, high maintenance costs, not to mention low security. If the centralized door controller doesn't work, means that all the connected doors will not work. Our access control solution is based on a smart, independent, IP-based door controller platform, utilizing existing network infrastructure. It's a fully distributed solution, so each door always works independently. No matter the network or the server status, the door will always work. And it's so easily scalable and flexible, whether you have 10 doors or 100. Access camera station secure entry is Access end-to-end solution. And being part of Access camera station, you get both video surveillance and access control in one. It delivers everything you need from access control solution. It's easy to manage cardholders and groups, easy to set up access rules such as schedules, locations, and credentials. Beyond this, everything you expect from advanced access control management system is also included, such as zone management, multi-factor authentication, duress pins, lockdown, and more. And since X camera station secure entry, it's all in one solution. You manage everything from one user-friendly interface. It's hassle-free experience of the operator. Since you can use video together with access control, you benefit from features like monitoring video and door activities side by side, controlling door access, or searching and filtering access control logs linked with video recordings.
As Derek just mentioned, the benefits from combining video and access control are many, and intercoms are a perfect complement too. Did you know that most intercom systems are still analog-based? There's a clear transformation happening with requests to better integration, high-quality camera, and mobile capabilities. The answer is simple: IP-based intercoms. Access, together with 2N, is in the forefront of driving this technology shift. With exceptional video and audio, an operator is able to see visitors clearly, no matter the situation, and this can be from a centralized location or even off-site. Being able to manage entry remotely is of course a given for intercoms, and considering in recent times routines have changed and evolved when it comes to working and managing premises remotely. Take retailers, for example. With deliveries showing up, controlling building access can be time-consuming and inefficient for staff. Intercoms make it simple to control access and let visitors in remotely. Schools, offices, and industrial companies need to keep track of who is coming and going, not only for security, but even for liability in protecting their assets and people. Intercoms allow organizations to handle and manage access, while also being an important tool for tracking activities and events in case an incident should occur. Besides being used at entrances and exits, intercoms have started to be used in less traditional ways. For example, they are ideal as information or emergency points on university campuses and parking lots. Given the ability to withstand difficult lighting and weather situations, they can function around the clock in order to help create a safer environment. Even in the healthcare sector, we see other uses of intercoms. Patient monitoring can be challenging from both a staffing and personal safety point of view, and network intercoms can support medical professionals by allowing them to reliably monitor and communicate with more patients.
As you can see, customer attitudes and demands have continued to shape the security sector, driving ongoing market and industry changes. As a result, new use cases continue to emerge for security and safety related to building access, communication, and control across a variety of sectors. An open access control system with network intercoms can mean much more than simply letting people through a door. For example, when network intercoms, cameras, and sensors start communicating and smart analytics are applied, creative solutions can be developed which go beyond the basic functionality of analog and proprietary systems. Contactless methods of access control, for example, QR codes or wireless technologies, have become more popular in the last year or so due to concerns around health and hygiene. This also makes it easier for operators to simplify their distribution of access rights digitally, compared to manually handling physical keys or access cards, a time-consuming and costly ordeal. Let's dive a little deeper into some of these creative solutions I'm referring to.
Access intercoms can have additional apps or plugins installed on them. These are built on our open platform, known as Access Camera Application Platform, and are either developed in-house at Access or by third parties. One of the most common apps is Access Video Motion Detection, which can trigger a recording or even a notification if objects of interest change in the scene. Implementing intelligent video or audio analytics can further support security teams. For example, if an unauthorized person enters a restricted area or loud voices are detected, the intercom can automatically alert security staff, start a video recording, and play a deterring message. Another recently more popular example would be mask detection. Since intercoms are typically installed at just the right height for those types of analytics, they're an ideal fit to reassure that visitors are conforming to recommended guidelines. Same goes for analytics to detect helmets or hard hats. And together with vest detection, these can be important reminders to enhance worker safety at a construction site. In both of those scenarios, if a visitor or employee has no mask or helmet, the intercom can issue a friendly reminder to reinforce safety processes before unlocking the door. Analytics can also enhance the feature set of products. With a QR code app, for example, the intercom camera becomes an access control reader, which then authenticates a visitor based on a QR code in their mobile device.
As you can see, there are many benefits to using analytics together with access control. Take vehicle access, a cost-effective solution with cameras, license plate verification analytics, access control, and network intercoms can help you protect people and property without having guard station at your gates. With this solution, there are different options depending on whether you want basic vehicle entry and exit or more advanced access control functionalities. For instance, if you want to assign different access rights to different vehicles or to different area, or you need event log and video recordings, the options are many. And in case of a vehicle is not granted entry or it's unknowing, the visitor can simply call the reception on the intercom.
I hope that this session has given you some new insights into what the benefits of network solutions are. Access control systems should be scalable in case your organization should grow, and as we see the industry is asking more and more for integrated solutions together with video, it's smart to choose a solution where both are seamlessly unified to make it as easy as possible for the operator. Intercoms have a multitude of uses, and with analytics on board the camera and more functions being automated, you can feel safe that your smart system will help you in your daily operations. If you're interested in learning more about our access control and intercom solutions, reach out to us and we will be happy to guide you through our offerings.
多謝總部嘅同事為我哋講解，相信各位都會獲益良多。喺 Access Communications Access Control 方案裏邊，其實我哋有3個重點。第一就係無縫接合 Open Platform， 第二就係我哋嘅擴展性，第三就係我哋更加容易管理，無論喺 Operation Efficiency 甚至乎 Safety and Security。當 Access Control 遇上要使用人流管制系統嘅時候，有啲咩方案呢？我哋可以使用到 Access People Counter 呢一個嘅軟件，喺鏡頭嘅地方進行前端分析，然後將數據交俾 Access Control， 可以整合到一個嘅報表，讓到你哋知道邊一個地方人流使用率最高，邊一個地方要提升人手，從而達至最高分配嘅效率。當使用咗 Access People Counter， 可以大大咁樣捕捉到 Access Control 系統裏邊一啲接觸唔到嘅地方，例如係每一道門出入嘅人數、每一個樓層佔用嘅人數，甚至乎拍卡有冇人跟尾，以及有冇人喺出口潛入嚟呢？另外，當使用 Access Guard Switch， 可以大大咁樣增強 Access Control 喺周界防範嘅能力。佢可以偵測到侵入偵測、移動偵測、逗留偵測。我哋可以透過 Access Camera Station 呢個強大平台管理唔同嘅系統，讓到有闖入者嘅時候，你透過手機一個 Mobile Apps 就已經可以知悉。我哋喺2年前已經推出咗 Access Visitor Access， 呢一個方案幫助用家更加容易管理員工以及訪客佢裏邊嘅管理進出，達至到無接觸、無紙化。我哋先睇下呢一段片啦。透過員工同埋訪客者出入嘅管理，以及 video surveillance 嘅錄影管理，我哋將兩者合二為一，為大家推出 Access Camera Station Secure Entry。呢個功能係大大提升咗 Access Control 嘅管理，讓你哋知道拍卡嘅人同你哋系統裏邊記錄嘅樣係咪同一個人，以及大大加強咗保安系統嘅質素。最重要嘅就係 Access Camera Station Secure Entry 係為到 Access Communications Access Control 而設，佢亦都預載咗喺 S11 或者 S22嘅錄影系統上邊，而 Access Camera Station 嘅 license 都已經包咗呢個功能。佢會統一咗唔同嘅平台，讓到用家一個享受 all in one， 更容易管理。點解會催生咗 Access Camera Station Secure Entry 嘅出世？原因過往 Access Control 系統同埋 Video Surveillance 嘅系統獨立運行，未能夠將兩個系統整合，達至最有效嘅成本效益。透過 Access Communications， 我哋將呢啲方案拼合埋一齊，用 Access Camera Station 再加埋 Access Communications 嘅 Access Control， 可以做到一個 all in one 嘅方案，讓到用家去感受提升整個系統嘅效能。而 Access Camera Station Secure Entry 仲有其他唔同嘅功能嘅喎，無論係喺 Access Management、Physical Security 同埋 Daily Operation 都可以幫到用家去做到一個更有效、更容易管理嘅保安系統。就讓我呢一刻為大家去分享幾個唔同類型嘅 use case。究竟一個 car park 點樣可以提升佢嘅 security level？ 點樣可以透過 access control 去管理呢？過往我哋透過一張泊車卡可以揸唔同嘅車牌進入停車場，導致到泊車嘅系統裏邊唔同嘅車位超出負荷。不過透過 Access Communications Network Video Camera 內置認車牌系統，再加上 Access Control 嘅 readers， 配合 QR code 管理，作出雙重認證，達至到管理清楚知道去訪客或者係業戶佢揸翻佢嘅登記咗嘅車牌入嚟。另外可以配合 Access Communications 周界防範方案，配合 Access Control 去管理住一棟大廈嘅出入口、周界嘅防範以及一啲嘅禁區使用，從而知道邊啲嘅闖入者，邊啲係授權嘅人士。另外不得不提嘅就係一啲嘅豪宅以及單棟式物業嘅管理方案。喺 Access Communications， 我哋提供唔同類型嘅系統，將所有系統串聯埋一齊嘅時候，我哋可以做到無縫整合，甚至乎將整個嘅保安系統全面提升。最後都想同一啲新嘅用戶去介紹一下 Access Communications。Access Communications 係喺1984年喺瑞典成立，當時我哋基本嘅業務係生產 Network Print Server。經過12年嘅時間，我哋累積咗 Network System 嘅經驗。Access Communications 就喺1996年發明咗全球第一隻 IP Network Camera， 之後一直喺市場上面佔據一個舉足輕重嘅地位。喺過去26年，我哋不斷研發同埋生產咗好多創新嘅產品同埋獨家專利嘅技術，為我哋全線嘅產品增添咗好多安防相關嘅設備。透過 Access Communications 自家研發嘅芯片， 將我哋嘅產品效能發揮到最大嘅效果，提升咗產品嘅功能之外，仲喺技術同埋外觀設計上面，讓我哋變身成為 IoT Smart Device。Seeing is believing 係我哋一直以嚟秉持嘅宗旨。喺九龍灣，我哋設立咗一個2000幾尺嘅 Access Experience Centre， 可以讓到大家親身感受一下唔同類型嘅方案。我哋仲特意設計咗12個唔同嘅場景，盡量去滿足各位唔同嘅需要，期望以第一身嘅身份去體驗一下同埋理解成個方案嘅目的，同時照顧到 work from home 嘅客人，我哋亦都有 virtual 嘅版本去俾你哋先作一個初步嘅了解。如果大家有興趣嘅話，歡迎大家喺一陣間嘅 survey 留低資料，我哋會有專人盡快聯絡你。今日嘅分享暫時嚟到呢度，我哋睇下大家有咩問題詢問一下先。喺呢一刻，我哋揀選咗2條問題喺呢度作答。第一條問題係客戶朋友問 Access Communications Access Control 系統可唔可以整合佢哋嘅計費系統呢？答案係可以㗎，因為我哋嘅 Access Control System 係行緊 Open Platform， 我哋亦都有提供 Integration 嘅 Tools， 讓到第三方軟件開發商去整合我哋嘅 Access Control 系統。所以員工考勤系統，甚至乎停車場計費系統都可以容易整合。第二條問題係 Access Communications Intercom Solution 可唔可以去整合一啲嘅廣播系統同埋門禁多封系統呢？答案係可以嘅，因為 Access Communications Intercom 嘅方案，我哋係行緊 SIP SIP Protocol， 讓到第三方嘅廣播系統更加容易整合。希望以上嘅問題都會解答到你哋嘅疑難。餘下嘅問題，我哋會喺獨立嘅情況，我哋一一作答。時間差唔多啦，知道有部分問題今日未能作答，我哋會喺稍後有同事同各位聯繫解答大家嘅問題。走之前，大家都可以掃一掃呢個 QR code，follow 同 subscribe 我哋嘅 Facebook 專頁同埋 YouTube channel。大家有時間都可以登入我哋嘅 Virtual Access Experience Centre 睇下唔同嘅智能方案啦。拜拜。